Good morning, everybody. So let's go. Let's do those day trading zones. It's 7:31 a.m. Okay, U.S. times. Bid 69.5. Okay, on the tape, and we're coming back from the tweet. I sent a tweet last night. Check those tweets where I say if and only if we stay below 56, then we crack. Okay, and we are not staying below that 56, and I'll show you why, and I'll show you the big picture. Okay, and then we'll go through the power zones. Okay, also look at what else did we talk about. The bonds, the ZN, the 10-year bond has interesting moves lately. And so check those tweets there, okay? Everything is there. Go on our site, tradingimini.com, check for the Twitter feed, and see live sometimes on Sunday night. I think it's the best way to communicate with people. So let me push. Here we go. So the big picture that we talked about, the recurring theme for the past couple of weeks now that I talked about is this. Is we touched a low, but number one, let's do the big picture. Higher highs, higher lows since March. Okay? That's the trend line. We broke that trend line at around 1147, 1150. We supported that line on February the 1st at 4075, then proceeded to retest that 4075 to test the 3675. Okay, that's called a 1, 2, 3 break. Let me zoom again quickly. So we talked about that for weeks now, but this is very profound though when you play that. So what does that mean? You had the low here on February the 1st at 4075. You had the 36.675 that was retested. That's your 1, 2, 3 channel. It's a very strong formation that you can learn on the principle of professional of speculation by Victor Spandeau. I read that book over 10 years ago. So look, right there, right there. Okay, so you have your 1, 2, 3. So far coming into the morning, not only we hold the 1, 2, 3 from the intranight, that's why I called the 56.52 yesterday, but you have an inverse head and shoulder. Let me zoom even more so that you understand really the big picture before we go to the zones. Okay? So as long as we hold that 51.25, here's your shoulder, 51.25. Go back, go back, go back. You have another shoulder right there forming, and you have a head here. So shoulder 51.25, head here 51.25. So as long as we hold that 51.25, the picture doesn't change. We are still in that channel of going towards the 77, the 97, and retesting that 1105, possibly testing the 1120. Okay, if that's now, I tell you again, if we break that 51 area, that shoulder, that left shoulder, and break that 36, this is bad for the market. That would be bad. That would break the 1, 2, 3. You see right there? And that would create a lot of selling pressure. Boom! Here. Otherwise, summertime is going to be range bound, everybody. You don't need to be a rocket scientist. If it stays in that range here, in that 1, 2, 3 range, this is going to be range bound. Let's go to the power zone now. Power zone says we hold 51, we go for 74, 77. Okay? Right there. That's the first cluster. Second cluster will be 82, 86, same as we have had for many weeks. We break that, we go to the next cluster, which has been a problem also, 97, 1105. We break that cluster, we're on our way to 1120, 1125. That's it. It's that clear. If we break the 51 this morning, on our way to break the 36.75 or retest that 36.75, 34 area. You take care. You have everything on the yes. Oh, sorry, didn't give you the euro, which euro is as an interesting point as well. So EURO. Okay, remember the euro, the 121 there was the big support I had on all the charts. This become big resistance. All the 21 area, 21 to 2175, 2180, big resistance on the euro. Okay, let's go to the zone on the euro. You see, and that was the lower high, big picture since 152 the top here. Let's go to the euro power zones. Power zones on the euro. You can see this morning it's retesting resistance. It's going to try slowly but surely to retest some resistance. You have some resistance here in the 120.60 and all that cluster between 121 and 121.80. That's it as far as the euro. Support on the euro comes here, 18.5. 18.5. Okay? That's it. You guys have a great day. Stay safe. Okay? And make sure to get our day trading zones. They are absolutely free, couple of times a week, and there's something coming up soon that will be a big surprise for everybody. Take care, everyone. Okay? And check our site, tradingimini.com. That's where you can sign for them.